Welcome back to another rigged recap. We're looking at QQQ December 16th, Monday, using rigged AI. You open right at the 533 strike, go up 2, pull back, go up 3. So this is where the system comes in. This is why the system kicks butt. Because we're telling you, 1030, check. Plus 2.35, $2.35 above the blue line. We want to trade bulls. Anywhere from +1 to +2, trend is possible. And trend is what you get because this thing just grinds higher the entire session. Absolutely amazing. And remember, right here, check. Trade bulls +1 to +2. What do you get right here? You get a bull. It is +2. The max loss is 15%. So you could have found a slightly better entry. But after that, price was never lower the entire time. And it just goes all the way up into the red, the bear swing zone, comes back down, closes right at 538. This is pretty crazy because you get 1, 2. Now, the 30-day on this is going to be higher because we group all of the alerts, regardless of volume, into one. Gives you a good understanding like, hey, QQQ's been ripping. Last 30 days, this is 60.87%. This is 58.33. Historically, this exact type has never won, but all things change, right? That was the session on QQQ. CTE, check, trade, exit. Boom. You're getting that and you're exiting. Let's see when it goes 100%. I mean, it goes 100% probably here. I mean, these get 100% right here. That is just phenomenal. Looking at SPY, completely different, right? You're neutral right here. You're 39 cents above. And what happens is you absolutely get 0 alerts this entire time. Someone said in Discord, like, oh, we're not getting any alerts. We're not getting any alerts. Look at the price action, right? That's why the system kicks butt, because if Wall Street is actively trading it, then we're going to be sending alerts. We're sending bulls. We're sending bears, whatever. And what you'll notice is the first second that you actually get an alert is right here at 1536. This is a bear lotto for the 607 strike. These contracts were like ridiculously cheap too. Like, let's see this thing. Yeah, $10 a contract. Drawdown is nothing. It goes for 622% max gain in 16 minutes and 40 seconds. 187 buying and holding till the end. That's 24 minutes. That's unreal. That's unbelievable. That is copy trading Wall Street, because that's what Wall Street loves to do. They lull everyone to sleep, and then they come in here at the end. Just 600% in 16 minutes and 40 seconds. Ridiculously awesome. IWM. So remember, IWM is going to be its own beast. It's a strange thing to trade, looks nothing like SPY or QQQ. Very hard to see if any of the crap names are like impacting it. But once again, we have a really, really amazing setup. Looking here, 61.54%, 61.90. So what do we want? Well, you want this one higher and you want this one lower, right? Because you've just moved up. Here, you're like, hey, maybe I can get it in the yellow. Here, you're like, hey, I want to get it below this 234 strike. And that's what you're able to get. This is using KTR, telling you the win rate's 31.58%. And this is beautiful because why? It goes for 255, only 7.50% if you held it the entire session. But once again, another really good example of, hey, you have every chance to break 235 and fly to 236. But when volume is in the yellow like this, you know, it picks up here at the end. But when it's in the yellow here, bull exit to runners. We don't expect it to keep going. It doesn't keep going. You get a little bit of a nuke. And once again, this is pretty good. I mean, that's 124% in 11 minutes. Like, that's incredible. That's 255 in 4.5 hours. Incredible. Overall, an easy session if you were able to just check, trade, exit. Check, trade, buy and hold. Let it stomp you out. It would never stomp you out. It just ran. Check, trade, exit, IWM, you don't have anything, right? Don't have anything this late. SPY, check, trade, exit, neutral, follow price action alerts. If you took the first alert that came up, you got 600% in 16 minutes and 40 seconds. That's copy trading Wall Street. That's using rigged AI. Let's hope it stays easy. You know it's an easy day when you see things like this. 200%, 193%, 97, 92. Friday, very similar. We go to 0 DTE, 138, 130, 88. That's great. You go to the 12th, you got one. You got one name that's over 100%. When it's easy, push it. When it's not, when it looks like this, just chill. Just chill.